The Lexus RX 450h key fob, used for models from 2016 to 2023, is designed for easy battery replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob tool. Locate the small notch on the fob's edge, typically near the keyring. Gently insert the tool and pry open the case, separating the two halves. Be careful not to damage the internal clips during this process. Working on a clean surface is recommended to avoid losing small parts. Once the key fob is open, remove the old CR232 battery. Note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert a new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure the battery is properly seated. Snap the case back together, making sure it fits securely to maintain weatherproofing. Dispose of the old battery responsibly through recycling programs like Call to Recycle. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may indicate a more significant issue requiring professional repair.